Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Target Chemistry. Now this is the second video of heterocyclic compound series. Now here I am going to discuss about some reaction of pyrrole, pyridine and picoline etc. So let's first start the preparation of pyridine, preparation of pyrrole. Now if we react with furan with ammonia steam with in presence of L2O3 we get the pyrrole. Okay, if we react with acetylene with ammonia we also get this type of product. Now this reaction is very important, that is the reaction with pyridine with CH3I, that is methyl iodide. If we react methyl iodide with pyridine we get first of all this lone pair donates to this methyl, okay, and form this type of compound. When it heated, then this methyl groups migrate at C2 position and we get this type of product. After hydrolysis with KOH, then we get this type of product and it is called anhydrobase. Okay, this is called anhydrobase. Now it is important to think that here if two methyl groups already present, that is one methyl group at C2 position and one methyl group at nitrogen, okay, then if we react with KOH, then which proton will be abstracted by the OH minus. Okay, so here this proton will be abstracted by OH minus. Why? Because this is more acidic, and that's why we get also this anhydrobase. Okay, because electronegativity of the nitrogen is greater than carbon. Okay, that's why OH minus easily abstract proton from this methyl group, rather this methyl group. Okay, now if we react this compound with OH minus, we know first of all we get this product, this base, this nucleophile, we may say that CH2 minus, and then if we react with aldehyde, any aldehyde, then CH2 minus attack this carbon in carbon and O minus gets, and after recovery of this reaction, or if recovery of the reaction, we get this aldol type reaction. Okay, and this type of reaction after removing of OH and H we get double bonded product. Finally we get this type of product. Okay, now if we similarly if we think, or if we draw this three picolinic, nicotinic and isonicotinic compound, first decarboxylation, in which case first decarboxylation easily take place, so we can easily predict that this compound easily decarboxylate. Why? Because if we see the structure here N, okay, this is C double bond O and O this H, so this hydrogen easily abstracted by this nitrogen, and here C double bond O we get this type of product. So can easily CO2 can easily be removed in this case, that's why it gets easily decarboxylate. Okay, now if we see the resonating structure of pyridine, here you can see that the lone pair on nitrogen atom delocalized to this benzene ring, that is to this pyridine moiety, and negative charge gets at C5 C3 position, C5 C3 position, okay, C5 C3 position, okay, and nitrogen atom gets positively charged. Okay, so electron density more at C3 and C5. Electron density more at C3 and C5. That's why in case of pyridine, electrophilic substitution reaction or electrophilic attack occurs at C3 and C5 position. Okay. Now if we consider furan, thiophene or furan or thiophene, then if we attacked with any electrophile at C2 position, then we get this resonance structure. Here we get positive charge, and this positive is localized, or this positive is neutralized by this double bond, and ultimately we get this product at C2 position. And also if we substituted at C3 position, and if we substitute at C3 position like this, if we substitute at C3 position, here we see that this residue structure, and this is not stable. Why this is not stable? Actually, because this structure, previously we see that this resonance structure is more stable than this. Because why? Because here positive charges are more closer to this heteroatom, but here positive charges far apart to this heteroatom. Okay, and this will be resonance stabilized with this double bond. So this is not possible. That's why the substitution at C3 position occurs does not occurs. Actually, substitution occurs preferentially at C2 position. Okay, if we substitute at C3 position, then the resonance structure form will not be stable. Okay, that's why substitution generally occurs at C2 position in case of the thiophene or furan molecule. Okay, this type of reason. Now here you see that pyrrole substituted any group or electrophilic substitution at C2 position, similarly furan and thiophene, but reactivity follows in this way. Okay, pyrrole also substituted any group or electrophilic substitution at C2 position, similarly furan or thiophene, but reactivity of the pyrrole is much more greater than furan and also greater than thiophene and then benzene. Why? If we consider the thiophene and furan, then nitrogen in A, that means in pyrrole, is less electronegative than oxygen. Okay, so does not enhance the electron density of carbon as pyridine, but between pyrrole and between furan and thiophene, p electrons, that means pi electrons of s in 3p orbitals, which involves less effectively than 2p orbital of oxygen of carbon. Okay, that's why the reactivity order becomes like this. Okay, now here's some example of the reaction of pyrrole. So if we react with pyrrole with SO3, then substitution occurs SO3H at C2 position. Obviously, if we react with Reimer-Tiemann type reaction, we get CHO at C2 position. And obviously, when we react with Me2 and CHO POCl3, here also CHO will group form at C2 position. Okay, now if we think about manic reaction, and this CH2 and Me2 group also present in C2 position. But when we react with diazonium chloride, we also get this azo compound at C2 position. Okay, now if we treat furan with Br2 dioxane at -5 degree centigrade, here we also get Br at C2 position. If we reaction NMe2 CHO POCl3, CHO group also present at C2 position. If we react with SO3 in presence of pyridine, here we also get SO3H at C2 position. If we react with acetic anhydride and SnCl4, then we can easily get COCH3 at C2 position. Okay, only in presence of SnCl4 we get COCH3 at C2 position. But the difference between the reactivity order of of furan and pyrrole is that if we react furan with ACHO M2NH plus, that is manic reaction, a manic reaction fails for furan due to less reactivity. Okay, in case of manic reaction, furan does not participate. Okay, similarly, in presence of benzene diazonium chloride, this reaction also fails in case of furan. Okay, but in case of thiopine, this reaction easily take place. Here we can see that this reaction easily take place at C2 position with azure bond in case of thiopine. Sorry, in case of pyrrole. Okay. Now, if we see another type of reaction with thiopine, that's we get in presence of nitric acid and acetic anhydride, we get easily NO2 at C2 position. If we react with NBS and bromosuccinimide in presence of chloroform and acetic acid, we get Br at C2 position. Similarly, methyl MECOCl SnCl4 at COCH3 at C2 position. SO3 pyridine also presents at SO3H position. And also react with NMe2 CHO POCl3, we get CHO at C2 position. Okay. Now this in another video we will discuss about some reaction. Okay, thank you for watching.